So we are in the last part of the chapter. So he had lost all the properties of his family. His house was fully burned, and he lost everything. And he was in a very sad mood. And after that, he had gone to the school next day. And the people, they found he was not very happy to go, and he was not having uniform, and any other things were not there. So he was feeling very uncomfortable there. But when he went to the school, he found that the children or their friends, they accepted him. They did not make any fun, or any kind of issues were not there. They were all ready to cooperate with him, and they started loving him. And on one day, after a few days, there was a day where he was had to go to the gym. Okay, so imagine that like you are having a library period. So such a period was there, and he was getting ready to go for that period, and his friends were making so much hurry, and they were so much interested in taking him. So he could not understand what is the reason why it is made like that. But afterwards, when he went to the gym, he found that there was a big table arranged there, and on that table, everything needed for him was arranged there. Okay, so what is his some dresses, uniform, books, other materials required, the dresses which he has to wear at home, and all the necessary things which is needed for him was arranged there, or they had purchased. So his companions, friends, they had taken a collection. They collected money from each students, and they purchased all the things which is required for him, and arranged and kept there. So he was very much surprised to see these things, and he became very much emotional after seeing the friendly atmosphere or a friendly relationship of his new friends. So from that day onwards, he started making. So the people or the children, those who had never talked to him, came and started introducing him, and they started making friendship. So he found that all of them were welcoming him, and all of them were being very happy. So after that, he made a friendship with all of them, and he was very happy. And one day he was sitting in front of his house, which was being rebuilt because the building was fully collapsed or fully burned off. So they had to rebuild the house, and the construction of the building was going on. And at that time, his own friends, his companions, his classmates were there to be with him on the side of him. So there was he had a hope, and he felt earlier he had lost all his hope, and he wanted to die. He was feeling that everything that he had is lost, and he did not want to leave. He just wanted to die. So that was the attitude that he had. But now he got many friends, companions, and all the dresses, whichever things and other kind of things whichever were there, all things were burned off. And now he got all the things back, and he got many friends, and they are also there to support him, and things was going on like that. So he was watching the house being rebuilt, and he himself, there was a renovation in himself also. He was having a very wrong or a very negative attitude, and his attitude has changed, and he himself was rebuilding, or he was becoming a new man, new person. While we sat there on the curb planning my new bedroom, I heard someone walk up to me from behind and say, "Does this belong to you?" So he was sitting there, and discussing with his friends about how his bedroom should be there, how his room should be there, or what all the arrangements required after making the new house, how it should be there. So such a way they were discussing. And somebody came from behind and just asked him, "Does this belong to you?" When I turned around to see who it was, I couldn't believe my eyes. A woman was standing there holding my cat. So when he just turned around and saw, then he found that a lady was standing there, and she was holding the cat. So the cat, which he had already thought that it might have died or it is lost, so that cat again came back. A woman was standing there holding my cat. I leap up and grabbed her out of the woman's arms. I held her close to me and cried into that beautiful orange fur. She purred happily. My friends were hugging me, hugging the cat, and jumping around. So they were very much happy. They were jumping, and he got so he holded the cat, and he was holding it very tight. And his friends who was there, they came and they were hugging, and they were hugging together, and they were jumping because they were very happy because he thought that this cat was lost, and now he got it back. So this is a very happy moment. So almost all the things which he had lost, now he is getting back. Apparently my cat had been so freakily by the fire that she ran over a mile away. Her collar had our phone number on it, but our phones had been destroyed and disconnected. This wonderful woman took her in and worked hard to find out whose cat it was. Somehow she knew this cat was loved and sorely missed. So this cat was there. So when that the house was burning and things and all are falling, then the cat became very much afraid, so much frightened, and the cat ran away, almost a mile away, almost 1 kilometer or 1.5 kilometer. A mile is around 1.5 kilometer distance. So she ran, escaped like that. And she ran and went very far away place, and there was they had a belt. See, like in some cats and all, they make and there like ribbon like thing they tie on their neck, and on that stripe the phone number was written there. But the problem was that that lady could have called in that number, but when the house was burned, the phone also had burned, and the connection was disconnected. So it is not mobile phone and all, it is earlier times. So there was a landline number was there, and if the line is disconnected, then we don't have any other source to connect to that person. So they could not contact. But this lady, she was searching for the owner of this cat. She has been almost for a month. She had to search around, and at last she found that they are the owners. And she came to understand that this cat is loved by someone, and the one who has missed it might be feeling so much pain. So that she could understand. Though if you look at it, it's like if street cats and all are there, so that nobody is there to take care of them, or they are just running around like that, and it leaves like that. So but the cats and the dogs or these things which are cared by someone, you can just looking at them itself, we can understand the difference, isn't it? So they are so the street dogs or street cats and all are there, they are just roaming around, and they don't have proper food, or they may have some injury marks and all, they are fighting with the other dogs or other cats and all, so many injuries and all will be there, and they will not be very fat and all, they will be very much lean because they are not getting proper food and all. Very rarely they get some very old food and all they may get, so they will not be very very healthy and all. But these dogs which are taken care by someone, if any dogs or cats and all are there, so if we are feeding and we are taking care properly, so there are so much that they will be very fat and all, and they will not have any cut marks or something like that, because they are not going to fight with anyone, they will be cared inside. So looking at the cat itself, she was able to understand that it is not a street cat like that, and it was taken care by someone, and it was the owner might be missing. So she searched for the owner, and at last they found. As I sat there with my friends and my cat curled up in my lap, all the overwhelming feeling of loss and tragedy seemed to diminish. I felt gratitude for my life, my new friends, the kindness of a stranger, and the loud purr of my beloved cat. My cat was back, and so was I. So here, after some time, after getting, he was sitting with his friends, and the cat was sitting in the lap, and he was feeling. So he had a very sad feelings were there because he had lost everything, and so he had so much amount of pain and so much sorrow was there. now, but all these sorrow, all these problems had been disappeared or diminished, reduced. And he felt gratitude for his life. So he was very much happy that he got a good life. So earlier he was suffering and he was not happy with his life, but now things came back and he became very much happy. And the kindness of the gratitude for my life, my new friends. So he got many new friends. So he was grateful to God for the new friends. So he came to the new school, and earlier he was not having any friends. Nobody was understanding. So he was feeling very much lonely in the new school. But now we had many friends, and he is feeling very comfortable with the friends there. So the kindness of a stranger. So there was a kind lady. So it is not necessary that if cat is there and if it is coming, it is not necessary to first of all take care of the cat. It's not necessary. And even if we are getting, they can keep that cat there. But she did not do this, and she had taken care of the cat, and she searched for the owner, and at last she found, and she gave it back to this boy. So he felt very much happy about the good attitude or kindness of this woman, and the loud purr of my beloved cat. So then he was getting the love affection from the cat, and the cat was back, and so was I. So the cat was back, and he also became back. Means he became normal, like his sadness, all these things, all the feelings had disappeared, and now he became very much happy. Okay, so that is about the chapter. So from this chapter we can understand that in our life there are different type of situations are there. So like our life is of always there will be fluctuations, variations, you know. So you might have seen that when you take your ECG, there are your heartbeats are there. So based on that the ECG is found, and there will be up and downs will be there, you know. Once your ECG is a straight line, it means that you died. You know, so when we die only, our ECG will become a parallel or straight line. So in our life, there will be ups and downs. So we should have the attitude of taking these two things into in a positive way. So if when there are some troubles, when there are problems, when we face difficulties, we should not lose hope. Okay, so if we are having, now we are going on in a complicated situation, then there will be a time where we will have to enjoy our life, or the happiness will be there. So once if we are suffering sadness, it doesn't mean that all throughout the life we will be having sadness. We will be having that will be changing, and we will get a happiness. And when we are happy, at that time we should not be overjoyed also. So when we get something, when we get some people are there when they are achieving something, or when they get some good things, or when they are happy, they don't they start arguing with other friends and thinking that they are very much something very different, and they don't want to mingle with others, or such kind of relationships and all are there. So they keep on making they are very bigger, they are very something great. So it goes on like that. So but there is no any guarantee that you will get always you will be getting this success, you know. So if you are financially, or if you in educationally, or whatever may be the success that we are having, it doesn't mean that always we will be in the top. Okay, sometimes we may fall down, sometimes we may face difficulties. So when we are having success, or when we are having happiness, you can be happy, you can enjoy it, but it should not you should not be very much overjoyed. So you should have a controlled feeling should be there. So when you are sad, you need not to be so much depressed, and when you are so much happy, then no need of being so much so much excitement and all is also not necessary. So there will be, see, like if I think that any time that happiness can be lost. Okay, so if we are physically fit, and if we are getting any kind of achievements are there, like if in sports and all, if we are getting very top positions and all are there, and we are thinking that we are very much healthy, nobody can defeat me, I am the strongest, or I am the fastest person, whatever may be. But it is not going to last long. If there is a small injury in your hand, if you are very good in dance, and you are the best dancer in the school or best dancer in the college or whatever may be. And if something happens to your leg, then the dance will be over. So after that you may not be able to dance, or any kind of injuries may be there. So, and if you are a very best singer, so you are very good in singing, and something happens to your throat, then that will be over. So we should not be overjoyed or over excited whenever we get a success, even if those who are good in studies. So it doesn't mean that you will always get the first rank, or you will be always in the first position. Sometimes you may get less mark also. Okay, so it may be all these type of things are there in our life. There will be ups and downs, so we should accept both of these things in the equal way. Then only we will be able to live a very happy life. When you are happy, so you should enjoy, but you should not consider that you will be always getting this happiness. And at the time of happiness, we should also consider there are other people, those who are suffering, those who are sad. So we should be ready to be with them and ready to help them. And when we are sad, or when we lose something, or when we are missing something, then we need not to be so much sad or so much thinking that we have lost everything and our life is over and we are not going to be happy. Such kind of a feeling also is not necessary. We should consider that this time will change. We will get a good time. So such kind of a mixed feeling should be there. So that is the lesson that this chapter is giving. Okay.